In this short tutorial, you will learn how to quickly close all tabs on Chrome on your iPhone. Having multiple tabs open can slow down your browser and make it difficult to find what you're looking for. By closing all tabs in one go, you can free up memory and improve your browsing experience. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser. And then tap on the Tabs button at the bottom right. Now you'll be able to see all the tabs opened in Google Chrome. To close all tabs on Chrome on your iPhone, tap Edit at the bottom left. And then tap Close All Tabs. This is exactly how you can close all tabs at once on Google Chrome on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.